Annyeonghaseyo, Young Talents of Korea. My name is Jyrki Voss, and I'm the Vice President of Machine Tool Sales at Siemens headquarters in Germany. I would like to express my gratitude to everyone who has decided to participate in this competition. This year marks the 10th anniversary of the competition. Approximately 4,300 students have participated in the competition in the last years, and we have produced many talented individuals over the last decade. Siemens actively seeks to help Korean students by collaborating with the Ministry of Education, including various secondary and tertiary institutions, as well as the Ministry of Employment and Labor, WorldSkills Korea. Siemens Accelerator is our new open ecosystem and digital business platform that seeks to accelerate digital transformation and pursue sustainability in all fields. Educating and investing in the future talents like yourself is the prime example of this. We aim to educate students and gain early exposure to the latest technology to reach their full potential as they transition into the workplace as young professionals. This is why Siemens holds this event every year. By participating in this competition, you can acquire cutting-edge skills and prepare yourself for the future. Siemens will continue to devote more efforts to cultivate future talents that are ready for the era of digital transformation, and we promise to provide various opportunities for many students to experience Siemens technology. I hope that students will get to know more about Siemens by experiencing our technology and demonstrate your full capabilities throughout this competition. Gamsahamnida, and best of luck with the competition.